In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a login PIN on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to set up a login PIN on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's begin. From the PS5's home screen, head to Settings. Scroll down to Users and Accounts. Select Login Settings. Choose the option to set up a new login passcode or change your existing passcode. Enter your desired PIN when prompted, and it will be applied to your account. This passcode adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your profile remains protected. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.